Welcome to the official AI Hustle Club, where AI meets ambition and turns it into action. We don't hustle harder, we hustle smarter. What if I told you that you have access to the most powerful brain on the planet, and it doesn't charge by the hour, doesn't sleep, doesn't take coffee breaks? And no, it is not your overcaffeinated intern or boss, it's ChatGPT. It can write for you, plan for you, teach you, and even think with you. But here's the kicker. It only works if you know how to ask the right questions. Think of ChatGPT like a genie. Except instead of granting you 3 wishes, it'll give you 3,000 words and a bonus summary. But only if you ask well. A bad question results in bad answer. A clear question results in game-changing answer. Let's test it. Example 1. Write something about marketing. Write a 3-step Instagram growth plan for a personal finance influencer with under 1,000 followers. Notice the difference? That second one sounds like it came from someone who's actually launching something, not just vibing with entrepreneurship. In today's video, we'll break down the 3 levels of prompting mastery, real prompts that'll save you hours every day. How to turn ChatGPT into your 24/7 business partner. From coding to content, from fitness to finance. Let's dive in. Why questions matter more than answers? ChatGPT already knows the answers. It's trained on books, codes, research papers, and billions of web pages. But just like a corporate intern, it only shines if you ask the right question. Give it a vague prompt and you'll get a vague answer. But ask like a pro, you'll get gold. Think of it like Google on steroids, but with manners. The 3 levels of prompting mastery. Level 1. Task-based prompts. This is where most people start. You tell ChatGPT what to do. Examples. Write a cold email for a freelance graphic designer. Summarize atomic habits in 5 bullet points. Create a 7-day meal plan with 1,000 calories per day. Useful? Yes. Efficient? Definitely. But still surface level. You're just scratching the AI iceberg. Level 2. Role-based prompts. This is where the real magic begins. You assign ChatGPT a role and it acts like an expert. Suddenly, it's not a chatbot. It's your financial advisor, marketing strategist, copywriter, or even your startup co-founder with a caffeine addiction. Examples. Act as my financial advisor. I earn $3,000 per month. I want to save $1,000 per month. Build me a plan. You are a YouTube strategist. Analyze my last 5 videos. What should I post next? You're a copywriter at Nike. Write a product description for AI-powered sneakers. See the difference? You're not just telling it what to do. You're telling it who to be. And that changes everything. Level 3. System plus memory prompts. ChatGPT Pro or tools like Notion AI. Now we enter boss mode. Level 3 is where you build a relationship with AI. With memory and system instructions, your AI remembers your style, your goals, even your dog's name, if you want. Example, you're my startup co-founder. Always think like an investor. Remember, my project is a budgeting app for freelancers. From now on, every answer it gives you is through that lens. It's not just a tool, it's a thinking partner. 10. Power prompts anyone can use. Here are 10 powerful prompts you can steal. Yes, steal right now. Explain a complex topic like, I'm 5 years old. Give me a 30-day roadmap to learn Python, Excel, AI. Act as my personal trainer. Create a weekly home workout. Write a content calendar for a TikTok creator in self-help. Break down my resume. Rewrite it for a remote job in marketing. List 5 low-budget side hustles I can start with AI. Turn this messy idea into a business pitch. Paste idea. Simulate a job interview. Ask me questions for job role. Act as a therapist. I'm overwhelmed. Ask me reflective questions. Plan a weekend trip to city. Include food, fun, and budget tips. Bonus. Prompt formula for beginners. Here's your starter pack to sounding like a pro. role plus task plus context plus their tone format. Example: you are a legal advisor. Write a simple contract for hiring a freelance designer. Make it one page, friendly tone, no legal jargon. Boom! Lawyer Ed. Minus the $500 per hour fee. What ChatGPT can't do yet. Let's keep it real. ChatGPT isn't perfect. It doesn't know real-time events unless plugged into external tools. Read your mind. Replace your therapist, though it tries. Or feel your startup panic at 2 a.m. before launch. But that's actually a good thing because it forces you to think better. You become the person who knows how to ask the best questions. And in the age of AI, prompting is the superpower. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's your co-pilot, your coach, your writer, and your teacher. And once you master how to ask, you don't need to know everything. You just need to know how to ask anything. Don't memorize answers. Master questions. Official AI Hustle Club. Found this video helpful? Smash that like button. Share with your AI curious friend. Subscribe for more ways to hustle smarter with AI. Ring the bell. Comment prompt master below. And I'll send you a bonus guide that'll change how you work forever. See you in the next one, hustlers.